Adam, give us some words of wisdom at 5:16 in the morning.
My words of wisdom at 5:16 in the morning.
So here we are again at 5. Robin and Tina, pretty nice view. Still hiking up this hill. Starting to be pretty nice.
An hour before the snow really starts to warm up.
Robbo down here. Yeah, let's hope we get up there quick. It's starting to get a little warm. Here we are, almost at Pigeon. Here's everybody. Hi, everybody.
Hi, Ryan.
And here's Pigeon. Where are we going? Hey guys, here we are, almost at the top of Pigeon. I mean, almost to the bottom of Pigeon. Yeah, not to the top. That'll come later. Well, now it's snowing, so putting our jackets back on. On and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. Okay, here we go. Yay, everyone.
Yeah, send it, boys.
Dude.
Give it a pig.
Woohoo. Okay, here we go. Whew. Okay, we can do this. There was good views, not anymore. So we're now at the top of, I don't know, third pitch or so. We've been semi-climbing the whole way, so hard to tell. Rob's just about coming up. The weather is going in and out. Oh, what magnificent timing you have to just come this way.
He planned it out.
Well planned. I mean, it's been clear like this the whole time, right, Adam? Nice and just sunny, and we've come across one of those rare events where it's pretty nice up and you can kind of see where we're going. So here's our video. All right. Oh yeah, you can do it. You got it. Think safe thoughts.